Yeah. Ebusuya. Enye easy o. Na nkrofo no de se wo a woni mu no. Wo a na woni nama. No say asema bawo. Eye mind game. Eye game. Na omo de ya adwen ya de di agro. Me na me ka me chiro. Say shatter and shatter sa kodie na we o a game ma what yes here. One thing I want to say is say oh ye businessman and as a business person here, do Shatawale do, but don't be Shatawale. Adentia, you can't be Shatawale. Nti oh ye business person here, oh ye do Shatawale. Do Shatawale do, but you can't be Shatawale. Many media American. That is the secret. And I want to let people know that never will Shatawale have a sleepless night. Never will Shatawale have a sleepless night because on any musician be your problem. And see that I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. And see that. So Shatta and fellow musician. Omunya problem. Ne Shatta say, oh, asemamba, and me uo na uyo. Now on him. Shatta is a businessman. He creates the controversy. When you answer, it is a way of promoting him. There he gets more attention, he gets more followers, and get more promotion. In that case, business is growing. In that case, then his business start growing. Sana de aneti ti wa woni mu no. Ono beka say na sako de edisi Shatawale na say Shatawale bia na ye planting. Me na me ka me kiro. Me na me ka say bia kura na ye de na ye planting. Adanti na me kasa. The Shatawale song. The sako de song. My advice. Onim from the time sako de sanyum na buy no. Shatawale is in the media. Shatawale is in the hot, in the news until 13th of October. And the third studio album, The Rain. Nti enyuma sako de otufa no ho. My advice no. Ne trendy, ne promote Shatta. Those who don't know Shatawale are asking, who is that Shatawale? Those who know are asking, we are going to find out. And I'll also frame and not the advert, the upcoming album. Not the year advert, not the year advert, not the advert. Nti time about promoting your mono, and as a time or the new number bontino, I feel on more views. Shatawale is a businessman. Nti ono or creative problem or ka wasem sebi or ka sembia enye. For one. So opia me inano. Because the moment you answer pepe, he start getting his fans, he start getting his promotions. Until your business, and a Shatawale oyo. Your business, until America say, if you a businessman, do Shatta do, but don't be Shatawale, because you cannot be Shatawale. Your plan, your game, they will be playing with the fans. Tama Shatawale ene ya po no monya asem we enwum ya want to woto nyom bebre e bi o ha me ntimi kan wa ha a lot and seeking people's attention. Nti Shatta ye businessman o kan sampi de fa ko de ho Obekaya on the in November 17th of November 2017. 17th of November 2017. Ewo Dubai. Ena sa akodi ekoi. But one performing. He was unable to perform. Though ye keeping our backstage. But sa akodi one performing. Oko Twitter, oni masama Shatta Wale. Oni messenger or sending or tweety sa akodi. Asome no catch no. Or say sa akodi. Sa akodi doesn't listen. Shatta Wale na tweety sa akodi. Or say sa akodi doesn't listen. It is high time you respect your brand, bro. They are using you too much. They are using you too much. Don't vex for truth. Respect. Message we are Shatta or the tweety sa akodi ni. Masanka message no bio. After says Tama sa akodi could die on the 17th of November 2017. Any young man when Sarkodie or performing, Sarkodie did not perform. Old man sema Shatta Wale or the tweety Sarkodie or tweet and say Sarkodie doesn't listen. It is high time you respect your brand, bro. They are using you too much. Don't vex for the truth. Respect. I know that we teach Sarkodie. Wait. Obi antino hansemo. Then come in the 17th of November 2017. And na Shatta or the same way said this Sarkodie no. Sanka Sarkodie replya. Anka oba hu nyuma Shatta Wale de or the baba bonti. Nti ansa no beka asem bi. Se ohun se Shatta Wale or starti or create controversy na de nyina no. Chese na album bi e de ready. Shatta, on se okan no attaque obi ne fellow musician bi or stati attaque pe no ni se Shatta Wale album bi e de ready. Nti odasem na ba oso ukọ so mu pe we bi ekwen na ma no. Nti Shatta de he will never have a sleepless night because he has a problem with a fellow musician. And see, and a fans, and a Sako de Wanya de even so now. Sonny Bedu, the gospel musician. Sako de Yumna by no, my advice na by no. And now Sonny Bedu or Masako de tamp up. Se sak wayadie. And a man from say, so no or your gospel musician, meaning or promoting this or promoting this song. Yena yenti nyama bi ase. Nyama bi oha yena yenti adina se. So what you say? Ti enya butre. Shatta de odini chia. You will make a lot of money for him unknowingly. Ti musicians no. Moye we. So what you say? Nti nyuma Sarkodie the this song Sarkodie or hear about Shatta no. Or say up till now we no fit sell out the Madison Square, but we are fighting on Range Rover. Yeni so betiti na game over. Attention seeking is not bad, but too much of it is chronic disease. Say anka social media trend ne manipa ye relevant anka obi am feature mugis. Enyo na bi ni o. Nsema Sarkodie okawa asem na ni o. Until now, we no fit sell out the Madison Square, but we are fighting on Range Rover. Ye no so betiti no na game over. Attention seeking is not bad, but too much of it is chronic disease. Sanka social media trend and the manipa ye relevant anka obi en feature mugis. Asemeni. Nti asan ye advice say the one cause what 2 dino say enye enyuma Sarkodie no enkoma Shatta Wale nko awo ekoma obia so benya butre anything you do you have to take your time. Do not think meba ho every time saying Shatta is overconfident sometimes. I say, oh, you not there? They say, Shatta there, we Jimmy. Shatta Wale there, we Jimmy. We Jimmy. He's making it. We Jimmy. I don't know where they or they make it. Aha. So movie production. Yes, I call you on Casa Lawin. I know we Jimmy. On I ain't the class over Casa there. We Jimmy. Because we Jimmy no. And a man for more person where they who nipa cry head a year called John Casa. Until the more also with Jimmy no, the more on where they or you're popular. This is the game with the Shatta Wale. Until oh yeah, Shatta Wale fana. Mawakuma told him, your master knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. See, oh yeah, fan, oh name these things about your master. Always, oh yeah, Shatta fan. Wakuma be there, always you'll be annoyed, but stay calm. He knows Shatta is a businessman. And nowadays, oh from her, Sarkodie Shatta Wale, oh for her, Sarkodie Shatta Wale. And we forget about our own business. Mind your business 24/7. Mind your business 24/7. Enyambotre. Nti asema Sarkodie 17th of November 2017 and na Sarkodie oko Dubai one of the hot African music festa first oko Dubai no and na yamakwe of performing no and na Shatta Wale oko tweet Sarkodie no tweet so na a teasing message. Sarkodie doesn't listen. It is high time. It is high time you respect your brand, bro. They are using you too much. Don't wait for the truth. And a Sarkodie so reply no. And which you can Sarkodie where them or reply no. Assembly or catch no. Or say ni o kasado do. Hey already. Ni o kasado do. Lol, I grow in so. Nobody play with my brand. That is why we no go step on that hot. On that stage. I just feel for fans. That be why I tweet you. You know me, Jai Agrono, Jai Rough. So what you say? So don't devote your time on these people. They are game players. They know exactly what they are doing. They are not enemies. They are friends. Koshe backstage. What they do behind scene. And a and a yes, ye Kasafas Shatta Wale. And a way, yes, Shatta Wale no mommy, while reply Cody. Shade what they are businessmen. Yo. Nti Sarkodie or one wa the nasamako biso. Ya puno or the akonoso, kwa kesi konoso. So boy, wajibi. Shatta Wale, Sarkodie, or no sooner tamasu, or the book on the buffalo so. Otimika, I am the richest artist in Ghana, whatever. He is saying it to suscite a revolution. Into your car, no wakuma, but also call reply pe. Na social media there, I am man with those news. And chepe, Shatta Wale no the album aba. Nti adia Sarkodie aye, enyuma Sarkodie twi no. Shatta Wale or advantage be brave I was saying no more. And only the song, my advice. Do you know the advantage Shatta Wale got in it? Abini. Sarkodie this song. Sarkodie is in the new till the D-Day. Nti da Sarkodie or the new number no. Or the new number no. Na assassin on the air trendy. Nti Shatta Wale's name was in the news till the 13th of October. And on the rain the buy. Nti no crowd buano and on more attention and more views. ewo na da or the launching album advantage ba ko ni abisu ni Sarko there has wisdom to share. I had a secret. Sarko there has something to say. Anything my kasa e ko do be bia Sarko there say oh you respectable known ye nim no but Sarko there okasa bi say he made it clear that Sarko there made it clear that there was nothing. Sarko there he said there was nothing Shatta Wale could learn from him. Sarko there. So if there is nothing Shatta Wale can learn from Sarko there, it means in one way in the other, it means Shatta Wale is good as Sark is what? Is good. So this, even this, that is what I'm saying, that the people are playing game with our mind. But few people will understand what I'm saying. Few people will understand what I'm saying. Nti Sarko there, or say, Shatta Wale has nothing to learn from him. Wo Sarko there, everybody know 77 award winner. Easy. 77. So if Shatta Wale has nothing to learn from you, it means he is good as well. So this message alone can promote Shatta Wale. Because Sarko de nede and the endorse no. Sarko de nede and the endorse no. Until we cry to me promote no. And about so ni. I was a Sarko de or ye paying. Nti na fu no ebetinya boa Shatta Wale ene wade a shaping no nti saka Shatta Wale wetinya fa Sarko de anu amotu no asem bi no se Shatta Wale otimi make correction of Sarko de enyum no sa this on my advice no or de to ho ene or make correction at the mon wan kasa Shatta Wale no ho a you will see that Shatta will become an extraordinary artist because already he is talented. So that Sarko de can no. You came from ghetto and you are making it and we are proud of it. In the this song, he said you came from ghetto, you are making it and we are proud of it. Meaning Sark is proud of Shatta's performance. So if you are proud of that somebody, you are proud of the person, and yet you are giving an advice to the person, just say, oh person ni perfect. So if Shatta can learn from the song, he will become an extraordinary musician in our time, in the next time, and his name will live for greater period. So what I say, so these people a game omo de adwen e de agro different thing happen behind the scene. Different thing happen behind the scene. No matter we have a brie ni so keke. Nti also onimu a no odo otam na nyina de e de devotee de amawo. Ti moma ye ninda ho. Focus on your business. If you a businessman, do Shatta do. Shatta oka problem na ba ono wo fam na o de nyesika. Nti fans na ye de ebre. Kama chiro nti we no pese ye din komo kakra bi so that you also know what is going on. Nti I say omo yo ma de a memfa otam na nyina de e fa nko shem because they are making money out of it. They are making money out of it. So don't consecrate all your time for them. Shatta Wale problem ba anu na no de o de nyane sika. Obi kan na wa ye popular in the media. Enche bia na o de nwum ye de e de aba. No the bit nyina Shatta Wale or you're very, very, very conscious about his business. Ti madamo nyina say. Madamo nyina say. Ti the American say, focus on your daily activity. Sebi. Sa ko de on ba betua wo rent ma wo. So wo tua ma obi a anya ye nyina, ontimi tua ma obi a Shatta Wale ontimi tua ma obi a. Nti focus on your work, your daily activity. The man osanko wa no. Ma oni embrace adwuma no. Yo, akramo.